little Christmas present to myself. Viking bags for the Honda Shadow. Hopefully to use it for some more camping trips. Came with pretty good quality. The bags came in this. It's like a sweater material, super heavy duty. Very nice, so I kind of want to find a reason to use it. Bags come shipped in bubble wrap, and it's taped up with that sweatshirt material. Here is the bag outside of everything. Very nice. Black paint. Does look like it has some flake in it. When we open it up, I did put stuff inside. You can see holds good bit. First step is going to be getting the side panels off so that we can remove the turn signals. You can see this side's already off. This side here is still attached. So the main things you'll need is there's 2 Allen keys, 2 on the front. Those are the ones that you'll be swapping out for the bolts that come with the Viking Bags kit. Those are a number 6 Allen key. And then these bolts here are I believe 9/16. Yeah, 9/16 or 14. You remove those 2 on each side. And once you do that, you can drop this piece, which allows you to get to a bolt back there, which allows you to remove the turn signal. So the Viking kit comes with a Allen key. That's the same size to remove this Allen key that removes that. Then you need to take a flathead, open that, make sure you can move your cable out. So the part that does suck is there is no way to get that out. You will have to cut your brake line, or not your brake line, sorry. You'll have to cut this turn signal line so that you can then fish it through the body or wherever you're going to be running. I'm going to try to get mine back through that hole to route back down there for the turn signal relocation kit. The lights are removed. There's the wires. I'm going to focus on getting them wired up once I figure out the final spot. So now I'm just going to mark out this hole on the bag where I want it so I can install it and use it as a pivot point to get this mark right where I want it. Alright, marked them off, and it just literally mounts up to your existing holes. Put my sissy bar back on so that I can have some more storage space. Very simple. Boom. And inside, it's got the bolts, and it just mounts up. Looks pretty good.